Time to check in with Quizatron 9000.
Quizatron 9000?
Just like with previous quizzes, you can record your answers and then check them in the solutions video for this chapter. Question 1. Anonymous users can post comments by default. True or false? Question 2. What do you need to do to enable commenting for a comment type? Check all that apply. A. Turn on comments in the content type edit form. B. Install the Disqus module. C. Add permissions to allow users to post comments. And D. Add a comment field to a content type. Question 3. What is taxonomy in Drupal? Check all that apply. A. Another term for categorizing content. B. A collection of vocabularies. C. A way to prevent spam on comment forms. D. A method of creating more realistic stuffed animals. Question 4. The libraries folder is part of the default Drupal installation. True or false? And question 5. The color box module does what? A. Provides a way to let users pick colors for themes. B. Provides a way to display large images in an overlay when thumbnails are clicked. C. Provides a way to display stylized thumbnails on pages. D. Provides a way to fill in areas of a page with a color of your choice.